about this topic, mastering stock trend for retirement. Okay. So first of all, how do we identify a bullish market? Okay, how do you identify a bullish market? Okay, so first of all, let's define this. A bullish market means what? Means equals many uptrend stocks. Do you agree or not? Do you agree or not? Many uptrend stocks. Okay, it is quite similar to bullish market. Do you agree? Sounds logical. Sounds logical. Yes, right. Time can type yes if you want. Okay, many uptrend stocks. Okay, so if there's many uptrend stocks, that means this market is bullish. If everything is down, that means this market is not so bullish. Okay, so the thing here is this. Okay, for you to make money, you need to have things go up. You need to have stocks go up. So the more the stocks go up in terms of numbers, okay, okay, in terms of percentage, what's the difference between numbers and percentage? Numbers of stocks, percentage, how much it go up, right? This, right, will help you to make it an easier market. Understand? So when we choose a market, let's say today you choose Singapore, okay, Singapore, SGX. Looking at this screener, the name is called Ultimate Bull. Ultimate Bull means uptrend stocks. Uptrend stocks. Those stocks that is really, really uptrend, So there is 22 stocks that is uptrend. Okay. So these 22 stocks, right, doesn't represent that, every stock is here, right? It's actually above 30 cents. Above 30 cents. So below 30 cents, we don't see lah. Okay. So unless you got any stock that is less than 30 cents. So let's say, if I say, okay lah, don't put 30 cents lah. Let's see the cheaper stock also. Okay. So for cheaper stocks, 23. One more. Okay. One more, which is Golden Agri. Okay. But if you put 30 cents, you filter off the Golden Agri on the last one. Okay. So over here, okay, you got some stocks here. You got DBS, OCBC, SGX. So these are, we call it the Ultimate Bull. But Ultimate Bull are the stocks that is already uptrend for some time. What about those stocks that is not so uptrend? Let's say, I make it easier. I put stage 2. Stage 2. Okay, stage 2. That means, those stocks that is on the uptrend. Okay, so what is stage 2? Let me show you. Market, right, is like this. Okay, market, there's down moment, right? And then there's up moment, and then there's down moment again. So here, when it's going down, this is stage 4. Okay, it's the weakest one, right? When it is at the bottom, turning up, this is stage 1. Okay, if it's going up, this is stage 2. And it is falling, this is stage 3. Understand? So let's see. Okay, let's see what is happening here. So stage 2, there is 16. 16. That is pretty weak, very weak. Okay. But let's take a look at this. Okay, so you got this OCBC. Okay, OCBC is one of the uptrend stocks. Okay, so the good news is this: STI, right? STI is down. STI is down. OCBC never go down. So during this period, if you're holding OCBC, you are considered good. Correct or not? Agree or not? You're considered doing well, right? Okay, so just now somebody asked, like Singapore Bank or something like, or why STI is positive why STI is down when US market is positive? Actually, they are opposite. Not say opposite. They are not related. Actually, Singapore market, right, and US market, right, actually, most of the time, right, they are not that related. Not okay. So not correlated, I would say, not correlated. So don't have to think about US up means, this Singapore have to up, or US down means Singapore have to down. Sometimes they are related, but for the past 2 years or what, right? 2-3 years, okay, they are not really moving in tandem. Okay, so the next stocks, okay, this is SGX. So SGX, also same thing. When STI is down, this SGX never drop. Okay, so iFast, when STI is down, iFast is going up and up and up and up. Okay, so what we can say here is iFast is one of the best stocks right now. Okay, so one of the best stocks right now. ComfortDelGro, okay, ComfortDelGro, okay. Also, when STI is down, ComfortDelGro never drop. Okay, so the question, a lot of people ask, yeah, so high already. Why I want to know this? Why you want to know this? You know why not? Okay, you know why? Because over here, in my book, right, I developed a theory. So this theory, right, is like, what is the most important thing, right? If you are in the stock market, right, what is the most important thing? What actually helps you to make money? That's the question, right? What actually helps you to make money? What actually helps you to make money? So I realized this. Okay, in the stock market, 90% of the people lose money. 10% of the people make money. So this 10%, okay, this 10%, okay, is the people who make money. 90% people don't make money. So why is it like that? Why is it like that? Is it because 90% of people, they are lazy, because they are not patient enough? Is it because they are not smart? Okay, that's why they lose money. Is it because everybody is a gambler? That's why they lose money? Not true, right? Some of them, 90%, they could be very hardworking, study the stocks, study the fundamental. At the end of the day, they still lose money, right? Agree or not? Okay, so do you notice that? Because for me, when I started also like this, I study a lot. I study the fundamental. I read the research report. I study the company, the everything. But still, the price still drop. Okay, the price drop. The reason why is because you need to believe this, that 90% of the stocks is lousy stocks. Lousy stocks. So those that don't make money, they look like this. They look like this downtrend. They look like this sideways. So most of the stocks that you buy is always downtrend and sideways, downtrend and sideways, downtrend and sideways. Okay? So if that is the case, right? If that's the case, then what is the kind of stocks that make money? The kind of stock that make money looks like this. Okay? So example, if you are holding on to iFast, if you are holding on to OCBC, you probably making money right now. Okay? So if you're holding on to Food Empire, maybe you're making money right now. If you're holding on to StarHub, if you're holding on to Genting, okay, because now it's up, okay, up. Okay, so when you look at this blue color, right, and this blue color here, what's the difference? The difference between this one is this one just the starting. Okay, this one is going up for 3 months already. This is just starting. Understand what I mean? So there's a differentiation between this trend has been going up for a long time, or this is just the starting. Okay, so Riverstone just turning up. Okay, so if you look at like glove, okay, like Riverstone like this, right? Maybe in the next few months, this could be a uptrend stocks, because now it is at stage 2, right? So again, these are the stocks. If you're holding on to this, yes, you make money, and then it comes into this list of stocks, right, where people are very interested is the REITs, right? The REITs, the US dollar REITs. So US dollar REITs, if you notice, they are in the stage 2. Okay, they are in the stage 2. Fraser Hospitality Trust, they are in the stage 2. Okay. Joe Energy in the stage 2. Golden Agri. Okay. Keppel Pacific, this one also getting into stage 2. Commercial REITs. OUE commercial REITs getting into stage 2. Manulife REITs, right, is in the stage 2. Okay. So basically, right, it is showing what? It is showing you that, hey, this one, is coming into stage 2. Okay, it is at the stage 2. Okay, so over here, it is, if you are holding on to this, you are making money right now. Okay, so Kelvin said, is it time to invest, especially bank? Is it time to invest, especially bank? Okay, so you see, there is different kind of strategy. Okay, not everybody. Okay, so you see, okay, let me explain this. So like example, this FH, okay, FH, you say Caleb Gunn. Okay, Caleb is one of our trainer as well. Okay, so Caleb, right, is giving his view. Okay, his view. Okay, his view. And this view, right, can be coming from some kind of analysis. You see what I mean? Analysis. So this is a view, okay, a view, an opinion. Correct? So opinion, right, can be right, can be wrong, okay, can be wrong for now, but later on right, okay, or maybe right now, but later on wrong. You see what I mean? Okay, so opinion, right, okay, opinion, right, is actually something that is, it's like, okay, don't buy bank now. Okay, so if don't buy bank now, and then bank in the next 3 weeks drop, that is correct. That's correct, right now. But I say bank is good right now. If you're holding on to bank, you are making money right now. My statement, right, is telling you that based on what is happening here, you are not losing money. You're not losing money. I'm not saying that you buy now, you will sure make money. You understand? Okay. I never say you buy now, you should make money. Or you buy now, tomorrow you make money. Okay. I'm saying now it is not a downtrend. Now it's not a downtrend, which is true. This is not an opinion. This is not opinion. This is telling you that based on this framework, okay, no judgment, no need judgment. Okay, don't need judgment. This is so far it is still on stage 2. So if it is not good, right, maybe one of them will go to stage 3. Okay, so like DBS is in stage 3. So if DBS is on stage 3, okay, and then later on it drops some more, go to stage 4, then, okay, that is getting worse. Okay, so the thing here is, what will happen in front, we don't know. Okay, but what I understand is for a stock, right, to go up and up and up, for a stocks to go up 50%, it will go 40% before 50. For 40%, it will go 30% before 40%. For a stock to go 30%, it will go 20% before 30%. Correct? So before a stocks go up a lot, right, it must be a uptrend. Do you agree? Before the stock go up a lot, it must be an uptrend before it go up a lot. Do you agree? Can you understand this idea? This is a powerful idea because it's so simple. It's so like, so like simple and correct. Okay, that means before any big trend come out, before the big trend happen, the stocks, right, it's actually on the uptrend. Uptrend means, it's on stage 2. Okay, so just now what I'm telling you here is this, right? Is this market strong? Is this a bullish market? Is there many uptrend stocks? The answer is no. Okay, because over here, stage 2, there's only 16. And stage 3, there's 3 here, stage 3. Are they recovering? Maybe, but not happening yet. Okay, maybe they will turn back to blue and continue uptrend. Okay, maybe they will turn back to blue and continue uptrend, but it is not happening. So it's still red. Okay, so how many stocks in stage 4? You can see 32 stocks in stage 4. So what are the stocks, right? you got UOB here, right? You got, just now, DBS is in stage 3. Okay, DBS in stage 3, UOB in stage 4. Okay, Keppel Corp. Okay, Keppel Corp in stage 4. City Development still in stage 4. UOL, okay, recovering, but still in stage 4. SIA, still in stage 4. Okay, so if one of them will recover, I will say SIA, if turns blue, that could be a better deal. Okay, why? Because SIA looks like very trendy. Trendy means the system can, work with the system very well. Okay, work with the system very well. Up, down, up, down. So when we choose the stocks, right, we choose the one that work with the system. So like SIA is one of the stocks that work well with the system. Okay, so you can see a lot of these popular names, they are still on the downtrend, still on the stage 4. Okay, so if these stocks, right, were to go up, they will go to stage 1. So the good news here, a lot of these stocks, right, has come to stage 1. So that is the good news. So when you see something like this, right, you got 25 stocks in stage 1, and then you got like 20, you got 30. You got how many stocks? You got 32 in stage 4, right? It's telling you that what? Okay, it's telling you that the market, right, is turning better. So here is 25, here is 32. The market, right? Okay. Initially here got 50 something stocks. They all went to stage 1. They went to stage 1. So what does it tell us? It tells you that now is a good opportunity. Okay, the funds are going into the stage 1 stocks. The money is flowing here. So if you see, venture coming back up, it is still not expensive. If you see Sembcorp coming back here, this could be breaking out and continue its uptrend. Okay, so the money is getting back into the market. Wilmar, SATS, Mapletree Industrial. Okay, so the money is flowing back into the Singapore stocks. Okay, so over here, okay, do you see that the banks is going out to stage 3 and stage 4? Okay, and then the REITs is coming back to stage 1. So that is what happened in the market right now. Okay, that's what happened in the market right now. That means this Mapletree Pan Asia Commercial Trust is turning up into this stage 1. Okay, so if continue to go up, it goes stage 2, and then it go uptrend. So generally, the market is at the bottom, and many of these stocks, right, turn into stage 1. So it is good. It is good to be in. It's good to be in. All right. Okay, so that's for Singapore stocks. Okay, no matter how much I talk about it, okay, what I can tell you here is this. Okay, in Singapore, right, whether this market is good or not good, okay, how strong this market is, right? Is it a bullish market, right? There's one scanner. This scanner, if I screen, okay, if there's a lot of stocks, right, that means there's a lot of big mover. Understand? Okay, so what is big mover? Big mover are those stocks that move up a lot. Okay, so example, today, okay, your goal. What is your goal? Okay, so let's say your goal, right, is to up, like buy a stock, right? Okay, get a stock. And this stock's up 100%. If your goal, right, is to find a stock up 100%, okay, and if you're finding this goal, right, if you're finding these stocks in Singapore, you look at Big Mover will tell you in Singapore, stocks that possibly up 100% in 1 year, right, is this 4 stocks. Okay, is this 4 stocks. These 4 stocks may be possible, right? If you buy at the low and it go up to the high, maybe you can make 100%. Maybe. Okay, so these are the potential. Why? Because based on their previous movement, they have the kind of a volatility, they have that kind of movement that looks like it can go 100% or more. Understand? So if you want to find the stocks in Singapore, right, okay, it is very difficult because there's only 4. Okay, it's only 4. So the market that you trade is very important. Okay, those stocks that can go up big, okay, not many here in Singapore. However, right, if you apply this in, let's say, other market, let's say Indonesia. Okay, Indonesia will have more. Wow, you say, wow, so many stocks that go up, go up a lot. Okay, is it true or not? Let's see. Is it true? So again, you open up and see. Looks like real. Okay, looks like wow. 100%. This is 700%. Okay, so when you look at this, right, you know that, oh, sometimes the market that you are in needs to have this kind of, we call it the big mover. So if Singapore don't have this kind of big mover, then you probably need to go into other market, let's say like US. Okay, so if you at the US, you see, wow, US, so many big mover. Okay, so many big mover. Okay, so when you have this US and then you see, oh, not necessary, right? The big mover is some kind of penny stocks. The big mover might not be some kind of a lousy stocks, penny stocks, right? So it can be some good stocks. It can be some stocks that you are, familiar. Netflix. Okay, it could be some stock that is like Meta platform that you are familiar. You understand? So these are the stocks that that have the kind of a potential for big move. Okay, for big move. So over here, okay, so big mover help us to identify. Okay, so some people will say, oh, big mover always is the kind of stock that already run up a lot. Is it true or not? Is it true that this stock already run up a lot? Sometimes no. Sometimes, if you want to catch the stocks before it run up, it is always the red turn blue, the stage 1. Okay, so if you're looking for stocks that you say run up a lot, not really lah. Okay, this part already down, and this is just the turnaround. Okay, so sometimes some of these stocks, right, they are just still at the low. Okay, they haven't really moved. Okay, they haven't really moved. So you can actually watch them. Okay, watch them. They are still at the low. So if they really move, they have a potential for a big move, because based on how they usually move, they are the big mover. You understand? Okay, so this is what we call the big mover. So the more stocks in the market that have a big move, the more potential this, for you to catch the big mover, the better chance, right? The better chance for you to catch the big mover. So same thing, right? In the NYSE, if you rank it up, you'll be able to see, oh, actually, stocks like Uber, okay, Uber, okay, these are the kind of the big mover. Shopify, okay, these are the kind of big mover, okay, and of course you can wait for them to pull back and then buy from the low. That is also possible. Okay, like example, this stock yesterday dropped about 8 to 9%. 8 to 9%. So this is a uptrend stocks. Okay, this is a big mover. This is a big mover, and it has some kind of a pullback. Okay, so in our new system, right? In our new system, this is our new system. This one is the old version. Okay, this is a new version. So in the new version, we actually updated on the right side this sector info. Okay, so that it's easy for you to identify a winner. Okay, so how is it making it easier, right? Okay, you can see that. Okay, this stocks, CDNS, it is a stage 2 strong up. It is a big mover. It is on a historical high. It is on this ultimate bull. So when you see stock stage 2 strong up, right? Big mover, historical high, ultimate bull, it's like a checklist. Okay, it's like a checklist. And over here, you can see the smart money is here. SMI 55. You can see the value. Value means, you know, how popular this is. And of course, you can see, you know, like, can you buy a lot or not? Okay, so if this number, right, rocket number, is very big, then of course you don't buy so much because the daily movement is very big. If RKT is small, smaller than 3, smaller than 3 is smaller, okay? Okay. Then this is not a very volatile stocks. Understand? Okay. So over here, this is one of the stocks. So there are many stocks out there. All right. So what I've shared with you, right? What I've shared with you is this. Okay. So first of all, Singapore market, you can see that general market is from stage 4 going into stage 1. Singapore is cheap. It's cheap. Is it okay? And another fact here is some of the bank stocks is coming into stage 3, and some bank stocks is in stage 4. UOB in stage 4, DBS is in stage 3, OCBC is still on stage 2, still strong. Okay, so let's talk about US. Okay, US market. Okay, US market. Okay, so by the way, if Singapore actually there's nothing, I think if you look out for stocks in stage 1, you know, it's pretty okay. Okay, those stocks that recently turned up, okay, those are the things that is very it's quite okay, quite good. Okay, so like example, Sembcorp Industry. Sembcorp Industry, right, have a very nice turn up here. So if it can continue, right, if it can move higher, then that is good. Okay, but however, if it start to turn down and, you know, break the red line, break the purple line, then it goes downtrend again. Okay, one of the stocks in Malaysia, this stock, right, okay, is one of our big position. Okay, big position, YTL Power. Okay, this is also utilities. This is also utilities. So it also happen to be something like this. You know, the pattern also like this, up and then go sideways. Okay, and yesterday, you know, it was a good breakout, okay, a small little breakout. That is a very good entry. Okay, that's a very good entry. So that is a top signal breakout strategy. Okay, top signal breakout strategy. And today closed very nicely, 3.1%. Okay, and if this were to continue, okay, if this were to continue, looking at this trend, you know, nobody know how high it can go. Okay, nobody know how high it can go. Okay, so if Sembcorp Industry, okay, were to do the same thing, right? It's also utilities. YTL Power also utilities. Okay, so if Sembcorp Marine were to break out, okay, will you take this opportunity, or you already in? Okay, or you already in? Okay, so that's a nice looking. Okay, so usually if we can find something, you know, similar, okay, something similar, that is a like a good reference. Okay, a good reference. Okay, so that means it's a big trend. Okay, so let's take a look at the US market. The US market. So the US market, right? If you look at the market in US market, is the market good? Is it in stage 2? Okay, so let's take a look here. Okay, so over here, I rank it up with the value. Okay, value. So you can see Nvidia is number 1, Apple, Microsoft, Meta, Netflix, Intel, Adobe, okay, Palo Alto Network, Broadcom, okay, and Qualcomm. So what do you see, right? You see semiconductors. So semiconductors are doing well. Okay, are doing well. And this like Nvidia is also semiconductor. And then, you know, so and then this the next semiconductor ETF. So semiconductor is the strong sector that bounced up into this new high. Okay, so the question here is, do you have semiconductor? That's the one thing that you want to, okay, there's one thing that you want to see, right? Okay, so besides that, for US market, right? When you see Nvidia, Apple, Microsoft, Meta, Netflix, Adobe, all is in this stage 2, right? Okay. So what we need to do here right now is to stay invested. Okay, stay invested. So of course, everything is looking good, it's looking strong. Okay, it's looking strong. Of course, a lot of time people also think that, hey, maybe is it overbought already? Okay, is it overbought already? So the question here is this, okay, is it overbought? Okay, so how do you identify? How do you know that the market is overbought? Is US market overbought? Okay, is US market overbought? Okay, so if you want to identify this one, right? How do you do it? Okay, if you identify this one, how do you do it? You can use this screener. Okay, this screener. So you use this screener, you can look at this thing called top signal. Okay, top signal. Okay, so this top signal, okay, top signal. Okay, you can see over here. Okay, you can see over here, there's quite a lot of top signal. Okay, quite a lot of top signal. So you can see like Amazon. Okay, Amazon. So Amazon have a top signal. Okay, Amazon have top signal. So there's a selling, profit taking happening. Okay, profit taking happening. You can see that this is a Nvidia 1.5 times, right? There is some kind of a profit taking. You can see that besides that, there is AMD. AMD. So yesterday, there was this profit taking happening. So this profit taking, right? Okay, is telling you that, okay, if anything wrong, below this profit taking, right, point, right, this candle, right, below this candle, you can take this, use this strategy, right, to get up. But however, if it can break above this, okay, it can break above this, then this is telling you that, hey, this is the point where it can, consolidate and then it can break out. You understand? So that is the resistance. So this top signal, right, is telling you that, hey, this is a resistance level. So how many stocks, right, has reached a resistance level? You can see Amazon, AMD, Adobe, Pepsi, Oracle, Dell, okay, and quite many, okay, quite many stocks, right? Yesterday, they come out with this top signal. So we are expecting, I think the market generally is, in the short term, it is overbought. It's overbought. But will things start to crash from here? That is something that we want to continue to monitor, because sometimes it can go on sideways. Okay. However, this sideways, if you exit and then you just enter when you go above, no problem. Okay, no problem. So we put a resistance level. So if Dell can break above again, then that is a good sign. Okay, that's a good sign. Understand? Okay, so over here, what else? Okay, what else will you want to know, right? So over here, you can see that, is there any buy signal or what? How to see buy signal? You can look at the short-term blue arrow. Okay, so short-term blue arrow tell us what's happening here. What are the potential buy signal? Let's see. Okay, for tonight. MSTR. So what is this? MSTR. MSTR, right, is one of the stocks. Is these stocks important? Okay, is this stocks important or not? Okay. Okay, how do you know whether these stocks should be in your watch list? How do you know? How do you know whether these stocks, right, should be in your watch list? How do you know these stocks is whether important or not? Okay, so over here, that's the thing here. So first of all, you look at the is it on stage 2 or not? The answer is yes, stage 2. So it's uptrend. You look at the market cap. Is it a big company or not? 6.3. Not so big. Not big, but not tiny. It's small cap, but not really like less than 1 billion. Okay. Then power. Wow, power more than 100 is considered very strong. Okay. Value more than 500 million is considered very popular. Very popular. Okay. SMI, smart money. This one, blue color. Blue color smart money, right, means these stocks got smart money. So you can have more confidence. But RKT is 6 rank, more than 3, double of 3. Means this is a very, very volatile stock. So MSTR is a crypto stocks, right? Crypto stocks. I think is one of the largest Bitcoin holder. So if you want to invest in Bitcoin, do you really need to buy Bitcoin? Do you really need to buy Bitcoin? Okay. So if you look at MicroStrategy Bitcoin, right? Okay. So how much did MicroStrategy lose? Okay. Who owns the most Bitcoin? Okay, this one no. Okay, so basically, right, MicroStrategy, right? I think if you look at like this Bitcoin, right, okay, one of the biggest holder, right, is this, MicroStrategy. All right. So over here, this is one of the thing that if you are looking at Bitcoin, then this is the thing. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so over here, this is one of the stocks, right? I will watch. Okay, I will watch for tonight. Okay, for tonight. And over here, other stocks, they say, hey, how come Adobe is not here? How come this Microsoft is not here? Because those stocks, right, already move. They already move higher. So the signal here is to tell you, is a signal like this, right? This signal, right, is to tell you that, okay, this is a blue arrow, So it is a pullback, and then it is before it move. So this is the blue arrow. Okay, so it's telling you that, hey, this is the uptrend stocks, but recently pullback and not yet move. So this is the kind of entry, right, we want to buy, because the risk is actually small. The risk is small. But if you get it correct, okay, the reward is high. Okay, the reward is high. So risk is small, reward is high. So when we see, okay, let's watch this for tonight. If it's correct, okay, we want to catch another signal like this, blue arrow, and then after that, it move up a few days, and then now it pull back. So if this thing continue, it be above, it will go above, and then it will continue to move higher. So that is what is expected. Okay, not necessarily every day it will be like this. Agree? Okay, so over here, so that's the thing here. So generally, okay, you must also think another way. What about, can we use the strategy, right, to do short selling? Can we do short selling? What stocks should we watch, right, if we want to short sell? Okay, how many of you are interested with this topic? Can we do short selling? If any stocks we want to short sell, what stocks do we watch? Do you want to interested? Type yes. Okay, type yes if you're interested. Okay, so over here, that is the idea here, right? Okay, we want to kind of like, we want to know that, okay, what are the stocks that is getting beaten badly, okay, during this period? Okay, which are the stocks that is not doing well, even every stocks is going up? And this kind of stock, right, should be in trouble, correct or not? So you can make money when stocks are in trouble. Okay, you can make money when stocks are in trouble. So what do you do here is you do this screener. It's called short-term red arrow. Short-term red arrow. Okay, so when you look at short-term red arrow, what do you see? You see oil and gas. You see drug manufacturer. You see oil and gas, okay, Halliburton, oil and gas equipment, big company. right? Oil and gas, okay? Oil and gas, solar, drug manufacturer, oil and gas some more, okay? So you got quite many oil and gas stocks. Okay, so what's happening right now is the oil sector is not strong. Okay, the oil services, oil sector is not strong. And when you look at which one is the most popular one, you rank it up with value. So stocks like this, EOG, okay, drop a lot already, not yet, drop just a little bit, okay, never drop, say, downtrend for a long time. Okay, so you get some stocks, and if you notice, right, okay, actually, this year you can make more money in short selling than you can make more money in buying the stock going up. Because one of the stocks that is the most downtrend is this stocks, Pfizer. Okay, one of the stocks, right, that is most downtrend one. Okay, from the start of the year, it just keep on falling and falling all the way down. Okay, so if you are a short seller, if you sell the stocks and buy back later, Pfizer is one of the stocks. And another stocks is PayPal. Okay, PayPal. So you notice that, these are the stocks, right? They have been downtrend and downtrend. Okay, so if you are looking at, stocks that is moving downwards, or stocks that right now is very weak. Okay, anytime can go even lower. You realize that oil and gas is the weak one. Okay, so you can see that this is a downward move. This is the bounce, the kind of bounce that never even bounced. And then the seller come in yesterday. So the candlestick shows, it went up and then it went down, closing near the bottom. So if you can break below the support level, is telling you that, wow, even this kind of like a inverse cup and handle, that can break even lower, that kind of thing. Okay, so AstraZeneca also like Pfizer, right? COVID-19, they developed the drugs, the vaccines. These are the weakest stocks in the market. So you can see that red arrow is there, telling you that sellers is hitting on oil and gas. Sellers is hitting on the pharmaceutical, okay, the drug manufacturer. All right, so you got a different idea. So you can see, by going through this, what we have just went through, right? Okay, we actually identify what? We have a strategy to identify the best stocks. Okay, the best stocks. So how to identify the best stocks? Okay, you see, in the market, right, there's thousands of stocks. And this is you. You have limited time. I have no time, limited time. Correct? Everybody is busy. You have limited time and you want to find the best. There's 1,000 stocks, right? Okay, you go and buy 1,000 stocks and hoping that you choose the right one. The chances of you getting the right one is very, very difficult. Very difficult for you to get the right one if you just choose randomly 1,000. Correct? But if today you say that, okay, instead of choosing randomly, I choose the stocks in stage 2, that will help you to cut down many stocks already. Correct? Okay, they will help you to cut down many stocks. And you say, okay, I will choose the stage 2, and then I will choose the top 20. Okay, the top 20. The top 20 stocks with the best power ranking. Okay, the best power ranking. So by doing this, right, you actually, get into the top 20. So this is the 20. This is the 1 to 20 stocks. You understand? Okay, the 1 to 20 stocks. So when you look at the 1 to 20 stocks, right? Okay, 1 to 20 stocks, right? you actually found 20 stocks. 20 stocks. You know, that is the best in terms of this ranking, this power ranking. Okay. So after that, do you buy the 20 stocks or not? You say, no, you don't buy 20 stocks. You choose 5. Okay, you choose 5. You choose 5 out of the 20. So you don't have to spend a lot of time going through all the stocks. You just go through 20 stocks. Example, okay, this one, you say, should I buy this one or not? Okay, you say, wow, this one, rocket factor 9.4, too volatile. Okay, skip. Okay, so next. Okay, next is NVDL. Okay, NVDL. So NVDL, okay, this one, okay, NVIDIA 1.5 times. Okay, maybe I can consider. Okay, then biotech, I don't like biotech. Okay, NVIDIA, okay, it's here. Meta platform, okay, Meta platform, not bad. Okay, can consider. Okay, because it's very quiet, steady trend. And then, you know, Fortress, okay, Fortress transport infrastructure. Okay, this is one of the best performing stocks, right? So these are the kind of stocks you want to be getting involved. Understand? Okay, so you choose 5, right? Is it that difficult? No, right? You just choose 5 best stocks, and one of them, Li Auto. Okay, Li Auto. Okay, so again, Li Auto, if it's continue to go up, then this could be one of the stocks you want to be watching. So you choose 5 out of that 20, okay, that's suitable for your risk appetite. And another way, right, to manage this risk, right, is this. Another way to manage the risk is to trade when things are in stage 2. Okay, trade when the things are in stage 2. Of course, stage 1, you want to buy in, yes, you can. Okay, but stage 2, right, is the best time. Best time. You understand? Okay, a lot of people, right, they say, let's say you got 100%. Okay, 100%. This whole pie is 100%. Do you know that the percentage of the time where the market in 1, 2, 3, 4, right? A lot of people might think it's like this. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, a lot of people might think it's equally. You know, 25% of the time is in stage 4, 25% of the time is stage 2, 25% stage, you know. Is it like this? No. It's not like this. Okay, it's not like this. So in fact, right, the thing here is this. Okay, the market, they work in this way. Market work in this way where stage 1, okay, you have very little time. Just a small percentage of time in stage 1. Okay, and then the market goes stage 2. Stage 2. So stage 2, you got a lot of time. Okay, you got a lot of time. And then when the market goes stage 3, you also have very, very little time to get out. Okay, and then the market goes stage 4. So in the real case scenario, stage 1 is like this. Stage 2 will spend a lot of time. Stage 3 just a while only. And then you will spend a lot of time in stage 4. Understand? So that is why what things actually happen. A lot of the people will think that, hey, yeah, up already, you know, no use already, too late to get in. But the truth is, the market can go uptrend for a long time. Okay, it can go higher and higher for years. Okay, for years, for months, for years. Okay, but when it's time to sell, sometimes you say, "Ayah, not in time to sell." And if you never sell, it goes stage 4, and that is where you know a lot of people lose a lot of money because stage 4 lasts as you know as much as stage 2. So the reason why a lot of people lose money, right? Because stage 4 can go very, very deep down. Okay, so that is the idea. Okay, that's the idea. So over here, okay, your screener stocks can't appear in the screen result in the left side. Yeah, okay, I also don't know what happened. Maybe I need to log out. All right, so over here, okay, that is the idea. Okay, that's the idea. All right, so I share with you a few things here. I'll share with you a few things here. What do you learn? What is the best part? Okay, what is the best part that you have learned so far? Okay, so basically I share with you a few things. Number one, stage 2 and stage 4, they spend a long time. So don't worry if you just miss 1 or 2 stocks. All you need to do is what? You need to stick to this market. You need to stick to the market, the stage 2, and choose the right stocks. Okay, choose the best stocks in the market. So how do you choose the best stock? You use the stage 2 screener. You rank it up with your top 20, and then you choose 5. Okay. So how do you spend the right time, right? You want to spend your time on stage 2. So good news is market right now, right, is in stage 2. Okay. The US market is in stage 2. So what we want to do? We want to stay in the market, okay, with the best performing stocks. Understand?